Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. Today's card is going to be using the Itty Bitty Christmas stamp set, which has so many sentiments in. I cannot believe it, and it's super quick, super easy to use. It covers every single thing from our house to yours, perfect for neighbours. Oh, what yum! Perfect for food tags. You know, when you give out a little foodie gift, maybe some homemade jam, you never know. Just Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays, season greetings. Celebrate the season, blessed Christmas wishes, and many, many more. Lots. So today's card is this card that you see here. So it's super cute, super fun, very modern in colours, I suppose. It is using soft seafoam, smoky slate and pull pie. So it's super fun, super cute, and we're using one of our new embossing mats. Not embossing mats, what's it called? Decorative masks. That's the one. Shall we get started? So I'm going to move that out of the way. We have got a card base of Whisper White, and that's just a standard T6 size. And I've already prepped this area, so our piece of smoky slate isn't straight, so I haven't prepped it very well, have I? So our piece of smoky slate measures 7.5 by 12.2. Let's get that straight. Okay, so, and this is one of our new decorative mats that you see here, and it's just a polka dot effect. And with that, I'm going to grab my embossing paste, and somewhere I had my spatula. And I only want to do the bottom part of this card. So open up my embossing paste. Just gonna grab some of the lovely paste out, and quite simply run it down the card like so. So the reason I use a smaller sheet is so I don't ruin my big sheet. You can see how super quick and easy that was. Quickly pile. I want to close everything up so that doesn't dry out. Then if I lift this up, you can see the polka dot effect is on there, looking absolutely stunning. I think it's adorable. So I can tidy that up later. And I'm just going to quickly lift this off of our card like so. And that can go straight in the bin. Now I've got a little lump here. I'm just going to take out. But other than that, that's as easy as it gets. True? So that's just going to dry a second in the top corner, and I'm going to show you how to do these adorable trees. So I'm using the tree punch, and I'm going to grab my two pieces of cardstock, so soft seafoam and pull party, and I'm just going to punch out a tree in each colour. So when I first came up with this kind of idea, I was a bit bummed, should we say, because I was just like, oh, I want two trees different, two different sizes. So I cut the bottom off of this one like so. So we've got no stem, and then on this one, this tree isn't symmetrical. So all I did was go to one corner and just do a little wave like so to create a smaller tree. And of course you can create different varied sizes, there's no problem in that at all. So with this now, still a little wet, so I'm just going to blast it with a heat tool. Just to finish it off. And I'm going to bring in some white twine. Now I'm going to start this on the back and I'm going to put some adhesive down. You should see my desk is a mess. Okay. So I'm not going to finish this card in a knot or a bow or anything like that, so I'm just going to wrap it round several times. Like so. Just to give the card some interest. And I'm going to pop that down there and just cut that off. So our little strip of adhesive is going to hold them in place. And there we have the interest created on our card. So you can just mess around with this just so you get it the way you want. That'll do. Mess too much and you'll spoil the whole thing. I believe this, well, that's not the saying, but you know what saying I'm on about. Too many chefs spoil the broth. And then I'm just going to pop my trees on, quite simply, with some dimensionals, like so. And then that's going to sit up on dimensionals. And that's going to sit on our card in the centre like that. And then I've already gone ahead and stamped the sentiment from the Itty Bitty stamp set, which is Peace and Happiness, which is there. And this is just an 8mm strip of basic black. Cut that down, try to cut it straight. And then I'm just going to pop this up with a dimensional on the one side, and that's just going to sit across the trees like so. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's project. I like it. I think it's a super fun way to use different colours than the traditional Christmas colours. While you're here, why not pop into the description bar below where a full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop for you to purchase them for yourself. While you're down there, like, comment and subscribe. And why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun, quick and easy it is to make this card. I'll see you around. Bye.